Hi, my name is Ravi Deka. I am the founder of India's first startup involved in a green and eco-friendly and sustainable marine technologies. Our startup is called Akvotransiro Tech Pvt Ltd. We are based in Assam and in Delhi. We have developed the world's first bamboo-based biocomposite boats, and we are equally working on extremely shallow water electric propulsion systems, primarily for law enforcement and the paramilitary, and a limited use in the ecotourism sector. Our journey essentially started with just an idea. We're looking at the precarious condition of the inland waterways where people have been using age-old traditional country boats where hundreds of people drown every year. And similarly, with the complete lack of development or interest from the big corporate sector, manufacturing sector, into upgrading the propulsion systems and the other nautical technology in India. The imported technology has been extremely expensive. Electric drives, which you can get from abroad, they cost at least 5 to 8 times more expensive than the petrol OBMs, which are again imported. And the fiberglass boat industry, which is mostly restricted to the coastal areas of the country, is again in an extremely primitive state. And on top of it, the fiberglass boats are not sustainable in any way, they are not recyclable, and they just rot once the lifespan is over. So, taking this very holistic view at the entire sector, we just realized that it needs a reboot. So we right now have two verticals. One, which is the biocomposite, bamboo-based biocomposite boats, for which we've already got really working prototypes. And now we are tied up with IIT Guwahati to build a proof of concept 9.5-meter catamaran, where IIT Guwahati will be doing all the materials testing and certification. And the design is being sourced from the Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN. And where it is concerns, our other vertical is the electric-based propulsion systems, which is a very niche product. It's primarily intended for extremely shallow water and muddy areas. Like we have in the coastal areas, we have the mangrove areas, mangrove deltas. And in the inland water areas, we have most of our like sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuaries, many of the very shallow rivers, which are otherwise non-navigable with any other propulsion systems. So we have developed from scratch. There is no analog in the world with electric drives that can travel, I mean, in completely muddy, slushy areas where now, right now, for example, our BSF Jawans have to just wade in the mud, knee deep to waist deep of mud. So these are areas, it will be like an SUV boat that can take you to places where no other boat or propulsion system could do it before. Even though we are based in Assam, our first support came from Goa. We have whoever we talked earlier with, I mean, people just couldn't get the picture. So it was FiiRE from Goa who extended the first helping arm to us with the Startup India Seed Fund for Technology Development. And we do hope that this will be a journey which will take us, I mean, even though we are on the other ends of the country, our technology is also elicited a lot of interest from the government side in Goa, where with the tourism industry also is looking for more sustainable ways, sustainable boat, sustainable construction, where our bamboo-based composite system can be easily used. So we do hope that apart from our venture in making waterways safer, we also hope to be a bridge between the far-flung areas, coastal areas, inland areas like Assam and Goa.